It's a very special moment for us all, India and Kenya, as the gift from the government of India to the government of Kenya of 100,000 doses of Covishield, which is Oxford Astrazeneca COVID-19 vaccine manufactured in India, has just arrived. It's a matter of pride for us that India has been able to make this gift to the people and government of Kenya during these difficult times of COVID, and this is yet another step forward in the long-standing mutually beneficial cooperation between India and Kenya.
Kenya is very, very happy to receive the 100,000 doses of the Astrazeneca vaccine. Not too long ago, just about a week ago, we were here again, receiving again the AstraZeneca vaccines. What many of you may not realize is that even those ones are still made in India. The vaccine is in use in very many parts of the world, virtually in all parts of the world. The UK, for instance, has used it extensively without any problems or any issues. And let us disabuse the notion that they have stopped. What they have done is suspended to carry out investigations to see whether there is a link between what they have seen, what they have observed, and the use of the vaccine itself. For us, we only have used it for about a week. We have not seen any adverse effects of any kind. And you know, it can be a bad batch. It can be based on the individuals themselves. So it's difficult for us to tell right now. But I'm sure very soon we will know exactly what is the case. Of course, we are also carrying out our own tests, continuous tests, and just like them, if there was an issue, we'd also take the necessary steps. But right now, we have no such inclination.